What's the meaning of awardee? Awardee. Awardee.
Awardee. Awardee. The word awardee refers to an individual or organization that has been awarded or granted a prize, honor, trophy, certificate or recognition for their outstanding performance, contribution or achievement in a particular field. Awardees are typically chosen through a selection process that evaluates their merits, skills, expertise and accomplishments in comparison to others. Winning an award can provide significant benefits to the awardee, such as increased visibility, credibility, and reputation. Awardees are often celebrated for their excellence and inspire others to strive for similar success. Overall, being an awardee is a great achievement that recognizes the hard work, dedication and talent of an individual or group.